You don't need to know math when you're a goose, silly goose. Nature. Not nature. Not nature.
Nature!
Dogs are nature too.
Nature. Not nature.
Nature! 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 There's nature out there! Oh, look. Veronica just stretched her wings. Sketch one really quickly.
Nature.
As you can see, this is a bird in flight. Nature! Make sure you get their down feathers very well pronounced. Nature! Not nature! I found another nature lover. We can bond. My name's Jane. Who are you?
Courtney.
Courtney. You look like you like nature a lot.
Do I?
Yeah. Nature!
Doing my homework.
Oh, okay. Yeah, me too. I do this for fun, but I can tell you that a goose has lain here many times before. So come on in to my goose house. I drew a duck in my journal. What do you think?
It's pretty.
Thank you. Nature. Nature. You should join Nature Club.
I don't know if I have enough time for that.
Okay. You have to be very careful around geese. They get persnickety. Jane and Courtney explore the wilderness going around. Jane and Courtney go to Africa and find an elephant.
Going to Africa?
Yeah, when I get enough money, but whatever. I'll just stay here for now and draw my geese drawings. These are the ducks, my dearest and greatest friends. Franklin, Maurice, talk to me. Talk to me. You don't recognize me without my glasses on. Come on, come back here. You never listen to me. Why don't you love me anymore? Nature. Nobody loves me. I love animals. Can you tell me what animal that is?
That's a cat.
This is a cat. Okay, well, I was going for goose, but like it's pretty close. It's close enough for me. Ah! Ah! I'm gonna try to get a little closer. Here we have an all-natural goose egg. I'm so excited about this. This here is an egg that was laid by a goose, a girly goose. Hey guys, let's have a pool party sometime. Goose egg. Good, I'm just gonna work on shading. Janine! Janine! It's cool. We'll chat later. Don't you try to steal my goose, or I'll wallop you one upside the meat shaver. Hey guys! You want some candy? Have some. I brought you some. I don't want to. Janine, don't be mad. Come on, Janine. Don't be mad. Don't be mad. Don't be mad. Don't be mad. Janine, it's okay. It's cool. Don't worry about it. I'll call you later. HMU. Nature. Sketch